Leveling your freezer or refrigerator is an important step to take to ensure it functions properly. After uncrating the cabinet, put on the provided casters. Then move the cabinet to the spot where it will be used in order to level the cabinet properly. Once in place, put a level on the interior floor of the cabinet. Be sure to check the level from side to side as well as front to back. If the cabinet is not level, use the provided caster shims by adding a shim to the caster on the side that needs to be heightened. It is important to use no more than 3 shims per caster. Always alternate the shim openings when using more than one, and be sure to tighten the caster so the bottom of the cabinet is flush with the shims. The stem of the caster should not be visible. For additional assistance or questions, please contact True's Technical Service Department at 1-800-325-6152.